Good evening, everyone. And this is Power BI demo class. For our comfortness, I'm using a PPT, well-designed PPT. It saves my time, your time, even more understandable. So we are in the BI and artificial intelligence area. So more and more graphical presentations we need to go. And we will also present our information graphically. That's the reason I prefer this. So our presentation starts from the demo itself. There are two demo classes. It's a Power BI demo and suitable for report developers, analysts, and scientists. There are two demo classes, first demo, second demo. First 20 minutes, I will cover introduction part, duration, content, opportunities, normal fast track differences, and I will address your question answers. And next 40 minutes, I will explain data to Microsoft Fabric and AI, artificial intelligence. And this is very valuable information, which you will not find in YouTube and other trainers. Power BI practical, Power BI components everywhere you find, but not proper subject. But in today's demo, I'll give you meaningful subject. You must have patience to get everything. Stay tuned. Many important things you will find it. And not just explaining, I'll give you the video as well. Video and document, the same document. And tomorrow's agenda, first 10 minutes recap of today's part. And 15 minutes, I will do a practical part. So our practical starts from tomorrow. I will explain one simple end-to-end example. One end-to-end example. Power BI Desktop, Power BI Cloud, both I'm going to cover. In case you are new to IT and you are feeling a little complex with the terminology, don't feel panic. The video and the document will give you good understanding. Once the session complete, just go to the video. You feel comfortable. This is a feedback from many people, so I'm telling you guys. While explaining, you may not be able to catch up immediately if you're new to IT. That does not mean you are not able to learn. Definitely you can learn. Watch the video once, you will come to know. Now coming to introduction part. This is a Fabric demo suitable for report developer, analysts, and scientists. And my name is Vinay. This is my contact number and call time 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And this is the first time I'm taking in this year, 8 p.m. batch. Usually 7 to 8 is the last batch. Due to office timings, I was not able to take, but I'm taking from now. I'm working as senior lead consultant, current working employee, and training type basics to advanced. It is a very detailed training and duration 50 to 60 hours, daily training 1 hour, and my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. Monday to Friday compulsory classes, and based on your interest, monthly 2 Saturdays I will take. Online, offline, both the modes available for this batch. So if anyone wants to come to institute, yes, please do come. And institute provide daily live class videos. And 2 years access you receive. And 2 years. So you can watch the videos for 2 years. So 1 time or 2 times watching is sufficient to grab maximum knowledge. Communication, WhatsApp, email, even call. Materials theory we will provide, and practical material also provided. And FAQs, mock interviews, and FAQ sessions conducted, mock interviews conducted for those interested for the jobs. And Microsoft Fabric, Azure Data Factory, and Power Apps, 3 to 4 hours training I will provide you freely. It is compulsory for better knowledge in the market. And SQL learning. I will take for 4 hours, but my recommendation, learn whole course and prioritize 9 topics. So SQL and Power BI SQL Server mandatory. No need to learn all the topics of SQL Server. Learn whole course for overall knowledge, but 9 topics prioritize. And today I will give you what are the 9 topics. And projects, 2 real-time projects I will give you. So however you do in the top MNCs, the same kind of similar processed projects too you will find. Similar processed. So you feel confident when you work in the real time, especially MNCs. I'll give you multiple case studies for better hands-on. At the end, you receive course completion certificate. Very valuable certificate we'll give you. We are in this market for the last 14 years, and there are many companies approaching us to recruit candidates. So we'll inform you for that. So training objective, maximum subject coverage, and real-time working perspective. The training is suitable for interview. In case you want to appear for Microsoft examination, Power BI examination is PL 300. It's a Microsoft examination code. And you want to appear for it, yes, 70 to 80% the current class is sufficient. And remaining 20 to 30%, you need to read from the dumps. The dumps also I will provide you. And worst situation, you learn how to generate your reports properly. And general FAQs, who is eligible to learn? Any graduate is eligible to learn. Earlier there was qualification constraint, but right now no restriction. Any graduate is eligible for any IT course or maximum IT courses. And what type of component? Low code component. You need not write much code in Power BI. Easy, understandable, simple graphical user interface component. And coming to institute providings, I'll take 3 minutes of time, kindly focus. Daily video sharing. For every batch, we create folders. 9 a.m. June, currently going on in the morning batch. See, for every batch, first demo onwards, the videos available. Demo 1, demo 2, important fundamental, all this. So immediate to demo case study 1, case study 2, case study 3. Please see concept 1, concept 2, topics in detail, project 1, and project 2 pending for them, currently going on. Already completed batch if you see. 7 a.m. April. So you will get a lab backup properly for lab practice. Here files, databases, and all types of documents available. And in this area, videos. And this is a checklist we will follow. Even for your batch, I'll give you the checklist. And all materials, FAQs, and resumes. If I open videos, so day 1 onwards, all the videos. Project 2 also covered for them. Microsoft Fabric understanding provided. Power Apps, Power Automate understanding. Page-related reporting concepts. Resume preparation. These are all conducted sessions for them. Video along with it, resumes. These are all the resumes. So don't worry, or you're not joining in a very normal institute. You're joining one of the good institutes for Power BI. Or you can say one of the best institute in the market. Everything you get properly, systematically. What all you need is patience to attend the sessions, complete it properly. This is videos, not just placing the video. You will be notified immediately. Take any session. Morning 9 o'clock batch, online, offline available. This is online. So today morning conducted. SQL objects in Power BI, different modes usage, video. You'll get a message like this. And people ask, no class this week. So we'll mention, let's cancel this week. We'll meet on Monday. Kindly utilize your time properly. But one of my co-trainer taking Power Apps, Power Automate free session tomorrow. So we provided link to attend. So every day after placing the video, you receive a message. So very systematic training and proper training. And 9 o'clock only online batch, offline also available, but only online batch members, 19 members. And many people from abroad. Good. So like this for every batch you receive. And coming to material, good materials you find from the institution, spoon feeding way material. So this is the first material you receive. Because for a student, material is the most important thing. See, important terminology. This is in the regular class from Monday. Software history, case study 1, case study 2, case study 3, case study 4. And these 4 case studies sufficient to grab good knowledge about Power BI. Power BI end to end you will understand. And whatever YouTube level you see, only desktop practice, Power BI desktop software installation practice. But here cloud also you see. I'm very strong in the cloud and 99% we use cloud operations in the real time. Customer, you want to share the report, cloud only required. See the material. Spoon feeding way, it starts from basics data onwards. Data, database, everything. The demo may be a little confused if you're new to IT. That does not mean I will explain in the same way and complex way. So I will start from basics from Monday. What is data onwards? I will start slowly we go. But detailed subject with good practicals. So you have seen the material. Not only this, even the coding object, DAX. DAX language is the coding object in the Power BI. That is a low code object. Even for that, we have proper material, single material, exclusive material, in detail material. DAX basics. If you click on a particular function, only DAX, what exactly it does, functions explanation, function practice one by one. Well-designed materials for your practice. As a student, you require good materials. Yes, we will provide. And because of this reason, we have success, very good success in the market. And students also refer their friends. See, Srikanth, this guy. Thanks, sir. Need a session, TCS 30 lakhs, CCA 32 lakhs. This is the website we have. And the website level, I placed everything. Online people, I'm sharing it. You can click the website after your session. So this guy, 22nd joining and 18 lakhs per annum. I mean, sir, I got this year 12% hike. So, sir, I joined with 33 lakhs per annum as a senior data engineer. Entry my entry. I started my new journey, so thought of updating you, sir. Many huge feedback and many students with good packages and good designations in the companies. Even 2 days ago, one girl messaged me. Not 2 days ago, yesterday only. Thank you, sir, for acknowledging and knowledge and tips shared. Beginning of session, I knew nothing and used to be scared looking at the dashboard, thinking, will I be able to make these dashboards and reports? Now I'm confident that I know how to create dashboard and to prepare reports and tips surely will help me. These are the genuine feedback, not from anyone except our students. Her course completed, she is asking the course completion certificate. The recording is highly helpful for me, sir. Thank you so much. Even students complete their sessions, still they get in touch with us for their questions, doubts, everything. Hi, sir, my name is Vamshi. Last year, August completed. I need login credentials to practice. Yes, we'll provide login credentials. Okay, good. So students, they will provide their resume for the corrections. Right, sir. The next one, so that is sufficient about the institute. We deal with students. Even students ask, give concession to our friends and all. This guy just messages, sir, data analytics demo, my friend is asked to attend. This guy, sir, do we have any candidates for Power BI with 8 years of experience? Elementary Mindry. He's asking to candidates. One day ago, Wednesday. Hi, sir, my friend Vijay Gade would like to join Azure BI class in our institute. He already learned Power BI from me. Give him a discount. So don't worry, we surely give you good subject. We maintain a healthy relationship, especially me. Ignore about reception. When they speak about fee, definitely there will be some disturbances. But with respect to me, I will maintain good relationship. Right, sir. So that is regarding material. And even mock interviews also we conduct for the people. And a couple of students, they go very friendly. And she's preparing for interview. Every day she will ask me some questionnaire. Sir, good morning, sir. Please give me today's topic to practice. Sir, I completed last class practice. Could you please help me with another topic? So we have a lot of patience to help students. See, topic 1, you prepare this for interview. She completed the course, but she does not know how to start. So we are helping her. We are helping her by giving the guidance. First, we ask her to read so-and-so. And Tuesday, I given her topic, project environment understanding and questions. And today she's expecting another topic. Right. So this is sufficient. And any question from anyone regarding this? And who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number so that you receive demo video and demo document. And also you want to talk to me after the session, I'm providing my contact number. Please call me on this number to talk about your profile and get good guidance. Yes, sir. You're asking something. I will tell you, sir. Wait till end of the session and you will come to know, even I'll tell you. Right. Online people, any questions? Sari, Fahim, Dell 2022, Hamant, Fani, Praveen, Sandeep, Sreja, Srinivas, Uday, Wahid. Thank you. Right. This is the most important picture. Do we have market for Power BI? Your friends might tell you, Power BI does not have calls, are very poor calls. Don't listen to them. Power BI having a rock solid market. You can try as a report developer by learning Power BI and SQL. Number one BA tool in the market, Power BI. It's the number one BA tool. Let me prove it. So Microsoft named a leader in 2024, Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and BA platforms. This is not the great point. This is a great point. We are thrilled to announce that the 17th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and BA platforms. 17th consecutive year. So for the last 17 years, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BA. If leader does not have market, what about other tools? These are genuine statistics. And not only this, even Forrester Wave. One more organization who rate IT applications. Microsoft named a leader in the Forrester Wave augmented BA platforms. Forrester also recognized Microsoft as a leader. So this is a high market. Microsoft is the top, very far from other BA tools. leader, letter Tableau, click view, and remaining down, these are challenges. So definitely Microsoft Power BI will give you a good milestone for your career, no doubt in that. Because a leader, no competitor, and these are all far beyond Power BI market. If Tableau market is 20%, Power BI market is 100%, 5 to 10 times more. And the reason is this: not only a report developer or BA developer you try in the market, and Power BI used for data scientists opportunities, and in this area for visualization development and report development. Data scientists usually use Python, ML, SAS, these kind of components, along with that Power BI for visualization. Data analysts also use Power BI for visualization along with this. And data citizen resources also use Power BI along with this. Look at this. And recently, Microsoft given Power BI in the Fabric level. Microsoft Fabric. So one component, if you learn properly, the report developer, BA developer, data analyst visualization resource, data scientist visualization resource, and Fabric visualization resource. These many opportunities you can try. In worst situation, you will be in a position to generate your own reports for your non-IT company. Many pharma companies, electronics companies approaching us approached us recently to train their candidates. They are already using Excel. They want to migrate from Excel reports to Power BI reports. And they are using some old reporting tools like Crystal reports. They asked us to migrate to Power BI. Because of its price, flexibility, ease of operations, even many non-IT companies using Power BI as part of reporting. So don't believe any other people's words. Power BI is having rock solid market. Number one, BA component in the market. Used in multiple areas. Present, IT market is little down. Everyone aware of it. That's the reason Power BI also. Otherwise, Power BI is very good. Even in this down market, it is having its own opportunities. You just seen that. You just saw that. One of our students asking 8+ years. Even we have opportunity groups. We'll place people here. So we'll place opportunities here. When I take opportunities and internships. So on 5th, we placed strong skills on Power BI SQL so and so, 5 to 8 years. So one more company on Power BI on 2nd September. Power BI developer full-time, client is treasurer. We'll place opportunities here. Pardon? One Power BI component knowledge is sufficient to try for all this with Power BI areas. The course is sufficient, the current course. And whatever I'm taking, that is more than enough for all these opportunities. But when you try as a data analyst, along with Power BI, these you need to learn. Yeah, these. When you try as a data scientist, along with Power BI, remaining also required. 1 or 2 components. Next. And we have normal track, fast track, one-on-one multiple trainings. But in case you're really interested to learn in detail, go for only normal track. 50 to 60 hours. My 1 hour equal to for you to practice 2 to 3 hours. Ignore about today's class. Today's class is awareness class, market environment class. But from Monday onwards, whatever I'm explaining, it will take 2 to 3 hours for your practice. So in case you want to learn in detail properly, go for normal track. Sir, I have a job. I need to work immediately on Power BI. Then you go for fast track or one-on-one. And no fast track trainer or one-on-one trainer will explain in detail. They will not spend 60, 70 hours. Within 20, 25 hours, they will complete everything. We do offer this training. In case you are interested for it, reach out to the reception. They will guide you for that. But don't expect in detail subject in this. Not only in our institute, wherever you go. Or sir, I don't have time even to attend these two. Can I get videos? Yes, my previous completely batch videos you will receive. Video-based training, self-paced videos, you will find it. Yes, so every month 25 to 30 members minimum they take video based training. Pardon? Yeah, we'll go back, sir. We'll go back. Right. Now, what are the opportunities available in the market? Most important area focus. If you learn Power BI fresher, you can try with 0 to 1 year experience. And Power BI a report developer, you can try with less than 5 years. The current course is good enough to try with this. I will explain Power BI and DAX. This is as part of my course. And SQL, if you learn, 90% opportunities in this combination only. And you can try as a support resource. You can try as an admin resource. And Power BI plus MSBA, Power BI plus Tableau ClickView, especially the companies who are using Tableau ClickView, when they are migrating to Power BI, they're recruiting these kind of people. And the companies using Azure Data Factory, Data Lake, AAS, these kind of storages and ETL tools. And those people expecting Power BI for visualization. And most popular and demanded component nowadays, Fabric Lakehouse. Fabric Lakehouse of Power BI. So what is this? I will explain in the regular class, don't worry. Synapse and Databricks plus Power BI. These are combinational opportunities. Now you can ask me, sir, I want to learn Power BI and one more component. Which one shall I learn? Wait till end of the class, then you'll come to know which one is good for you. And these are less than 5 years, but 90% Power BI plus SQL. And Power BI senior roles above 5 years. These are the opportunities available. Modeler, designer, specialist, architect. But with this training, you cannot try. Compulsory 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge is required to try for this. You want to try as a Power BI modeler, Power BI designer, Power BI specialist, Power BI architect, at least 1 to 2 projects working experience is needed. Next, Power BI in other areas. Data scientist, pressure 0 to 1 year. Data scientist, experience above 1 year. And Power BI data analyst, fresher 0 to 1 year. Data analyst, experience above 1 year. Power BI plus Power Apps or Power Automate. This is one more opportunity. Some people learning. So these are the various opportunities you find in the current market. Now ask your question if anyone having any questions. Right. Thank you. Offline people, any questions? Right. And in the next 2 months, what I'm covering, high level and low level. 2 months, project environment concepts, components I'm covering. Like data warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, agile basics, GitHub basics, and 2 near real-time projects with real-time process and multiple case studies. Database knowledge 3 to 4 hours only I will give you because the time is not sufficient for me. In the 2 months, I can allocate only 3 to 4 hours for database. Power BI subject is more. So to explain complete subject, I require 50 to 55 hours. And Microsoft Fabric and Azure BI 2 hours mandatory session I will conduct. And even this is mandatory for you also. Job trials, resume preparation compulsory, I will help you. FAQs and mock interviews also will help you. And coming to Power BI subject, Power BI is good in the cloud level and on-premises level. So Power BI subject, cloud, on-premise, both I will cover. Again, 2 more hours, Power Apps, Power Automate, so that you will understand the relationship and the integration between Power BI, Power Apps, and Power BI, Power Automate. So this is a valuable subject in the next 2 months I'm going to cover. High level. Low level, I'll give you the checklist for you. Today you will find a checklist. This is a checklist I'm covering. And we follow this checklist only. I will open every day this checklist and accordingly we follow. First 2 demos, 2 hours. Letter important terms, software download, extraction concept, then case study 1, Power BI Cloud Basics, Case Study 2, Security Concept, Case Study 3, Case Study 4, and Concept, systematic proper learning. The first 1 month to 35 days class is sufficient. And after finishing this, you can try for interviews. In case anyone expecting fast track classes, they can attend only these sessions sufficient. Remaining are detailed cloud, detailed DAX, detailed SQL, and project 2 remaining. So after project 1, you can go for interviews. No need to wait till project 2. Remaining 25 days, I will explain this part. Okay, right. This is now case studies. What are the case studies we're going to cover? Cloud level, what are the topics I'm going to cover? Data extraction level, what are the concepts I'm covering? Power query level, the concepts I'm covering. This is a low level content. So this checklist only we follow, and each and every concept in the respective subject will cover. So high level subject, low level subject, both I explain. So last half an hour, I explained about my understanding, Power BI, opportunities, and then Power BI experience opportunities, my 2 months subject high level and low level. I will go for demo part, data to fabric understanding. And before that, if anyone having questions, kindly take mic and ask. Our online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number, so that you receive demo video and demo document. These are valuable. So kindly provide your email ID and mobile number.
Sir, for Power BI senior roles, will you provide any training, sir, apart from this?
Below 5 years, you can confidently try with this training. Above 5 years, there's no training in this world. There's no training in this world. That comes up with experience. Because you should be able to design the model, design the application with best practices. That comes up with only experience. I'm talking about Power BI dedicated experience. Total IT maybe 15, 16, no problem. Power BI level below 5 years only you can keep after this training. When you work in a project end to end, at least one project, then you will get confidence. You can keep more than 5 years or 6 years.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Shall I go? If the session stops sharply at 8:10, so 9:10, kindly stay tuned. And from there, I will address your questions. A very important part, data to Microsoft Fabric and AI, artificial intelligence. Power BI has many AI areas, artificial intelligence areas. I will tell you those. So data is basic. And for data reasons, IT applications are available. And IT applications, multiple types. And one of the type is B application available from 40. And IT applications available from 40, IT applications from 40, B applications from 90. And Power BI, part of B application from 2013 July. And Power Platform is made on top of Power BI and released in 19. Now, Fabric, it's a modern AI-based solution, 2023 June onwards. So how come these are related to me? That you'll understand if you attend the session. If you don't know these two, and simply you know what is Power BI, no use of it. You are zero with the environment. And if you go for MNCs and work, you will work Power BI standalone, Power BI in the Fabric level. So don't watch any old demos in the internet. Modern project process completely changed. If you join Bank of America, Citigroup, Walmart, etc., you use Power BI standalone, which you find in the YouTube level, and you use Power BI in the Fabric level. So what is Fabric? Wait till end of the session, you get complete clarity. First, data. anything you are able to store is called data. So there are three types of data in IT industry. First one, structured data, table, Excel. These kind of applications come under structured. See, column by column available. So wherever you see proper column heading, data, etc., that is structured. And semi-structured data, JSON, XML, many applications in the market. Partly structured, partial structured. So university, student ID, name, degree, something. This is partial structure, semi-structured. Unstructured, social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, documents data, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, these are all come under unstructured. So there are three types of data. Next, storages. This data companies keep in two formats. One is file format, second database format. Remember everyone, there are no other formats. Either files format or database format, data will be stored. And the storage area, one on-premise, within your device, within your company server, within your organization. Second one, cloud, somebody else storage area. And we also keeping our mobile contacts in the cloud, Google Drive cloud. And we are keeping our daily class videos in the Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud. And knowingly or unknowingly, we are using OTT platforms. All OTT platforms, cloud streaming applications, all OTT platforms. So IT industry level, three types of data, two types of format, two types of storage available. And this concept with respect to Microsoft, any type of data, any format data, any storage data. And this is an initial slogan or caption from Microsoft in Power BI. This attracted many people and eye-catchy for many people. Companies started using Power BI because of this slogan. That's why I took this one. And 2013 to till 2019, wherever you see what are the website you go through, you will see this terminology. Power BI, any type of data, any formatted data, any storage data, operated application. Point is clear? Next. So data information clear. Now IT applications. It is easy for me to explain rather than typing in a notepad. Many types of IT applications available. But importantly, two applications you need to understand. This is one type, second type. First type is business running application. And we technically are called as transactional application. So OLTP, online transaction processing. So what do you mean by this? Take IRCTC, Indian Railway Ticketing System, Book My Show, Make My Trip, or PhonePe, ZPay, Zelle. Take, these are all applications. They're available in the web level, desktop level, mobile level. You want to book a movie ticket, web, desktop, mobile, three ways possible. So general public use this. Platforms, these are called platforms. And these are forms, application forms, they fill it. If the ticket booked, the transaction success. If the ticket failed, transaction failed. That message stored in the storage area. So this is called transactional application. And this is called transactions storage. And both combination is transactional processing. Technically, OLTP, online transaction processing. Don't think online means internet based. Any operation, if you do immediately, that is called online. So knowingly or unknowingly, we all working on OLTP applications, IT OLTP applications. Our mobile or tab having many apps. Those are all OLTP applications. Now, Second one, overlap, online analytical processing. These applications can also be called as BA applications, business intelligence applications. So IRCTC tickets analysis. Example, this is an area, railway tickets information available, let us assume. Today's booking. Management want to understand what are the trains having highest booking, trains having lowest booking, coaches having highest booking, coaches having lowest booking, Tatkal versus normal tickets booking today. So this is called analytical information. People say BA information. But how do we convert this transaction success or failure information like this? In this area, you see information like this. PNR number, if it is successful. Number of passengers, 5. Start date, starting station, coach number, like this available. From this, we need to derive this kind of information. It's not that much simple. We have a process called analytical process or BA process because we are providing BA data. And it will maintain a BA storage or analytical storage. First step, second step. Finally, BA presentation, report or dashboard presentation. So a transactional process will become analytical process. So a transactional application provide BA information with analytical process or BA process, analytical or BA storage, analytical or BA presentation. So here the presentation through report or dashboard. Non-IT people must understand report or dashboard. And you guys decided to move into this area. In the real time, data may be transactional or any data, but ultimately you implement BA process, maintain BA storage, and BA application, report or dashboard you create. Got clarity? So what are the tools earlier you have seen in this area? These all tools implement this process only. Then why Power BI? Power BI strength, Power BI features are different from others. In the market, there are many mobiles. Why Apple, Samsung, OnePlus having more market? Definitely there are a couple of reasons. The same way here also. Now, next one, BA. What is BA? So this is basic but important. BA abbreviation is business intelligence. Simply intelligence to the business. Decision making or analysis of the business. And a process wise, if you define, the business intelligence is the process of converting your normal data into decision making data. And the decision making data presented in the form of visual or insight. What is visual? Visual is a component which displays data or data in graphical format. So this is a visual data or data in graphical format. Insight, the accurate and deep understanding of visual data. Whatever presented here, the deep understanding is called insight. So BA applications generate visuals and insights. Input and output of BA. Account of modern BA, if you take, Power BI comes under modern BA. So we'll talk about modern BA. Input is any type of data, any data, anywhere data. Output is report or dashboard. So these all applications, whatever you are able to see, BA applications, the market leader or challengers, no matter, all will work on data and they produce report or dashboard. Okay, good. Then what is the difference between report and dashboard? Report is detailed understanding of data. For example, customer want to see detailed data and operation data, simple operation data, they go for report. But set of operations data you want to show, high level data you want to show, then go for dashboard. Example, take a banking environment, savings account. Savings account, withdraw one report you can create. Withdraw operations, report 1. Deposit operations, report 2. Loan processing of savings account, report 3. Like this we create individual report. But when it comes to dashboard, savings account dashboard where withdraw, deposit, loan processing, everything will do. Single area where everything possible. Understood? So companies expect individual operation presentation components or set of operations presentation component. So one is called report, one is called dashboard. In my last company, we were having 300 plus reports and dashboards are 12 only. The total company having 12 dashboards, 12 major subject areas and 300 plus reports. Okay. Questions, please. Great. Now, so Power BI, what it does? A high level, general public, transactional applications, forms, and finally the data may be on-premises cloud. This data Power BI uses, and there is a component called desktop in the Power BI, which will do this process. And the processed information stored and managed in a separate area. Finally, the report or dashboard of Power BI given to the management team. So in between this, Power BI sits in the market. Data to report or dashboard. Tomorrow we'll see the practical, don't worry. A very good practical you see. The master of all pages you are going to see, concentrate. Stopping if you're not able to understand, but the current flow is very, very, very important. If you understand this, maximum job descriptions you can easily read in the websites level. Naukri, LinkedIn, Indeed, even abroad if you work, US, UK, Australia, the job descriptions you will easily understand if you understand this picture. Current market picture, current market combinations. All right, slowly I go. Customers, platforms, and data. That is transactional data. Till this point, you know. Management team, web or mobile, output data, that is the reporter dashboard. But how do we convert this transactional data into analytical data? I told you a single word, BA process. And the BA process given in 90s is 4-layered standard process. Actually 6 layers. Now 6 layers, but initially 4 layers. If any company want to convert transactional data into decision-making data or analyzable data or BA data, compulsory they have to follow 4-layered process. You want to construct a house or a bridge, how do you do it? Foundation, pillar, sidewall, so roof, sidewall, step by step you go. You will not construct directly. The same way, this data, if you want to analyze, first layer is ETL layer. Bring the data, transform the data, shape the data, and load it into huge storage, second area. And the object of huge storage is years and years data you can keep. Historical data you can keep so that you can analyze it properly. And here the sizes are terabytes to petabytes. And here we don't maintain just GBs of data we maintain. Fresh data available here, always fresh data. Day-to-day data, but here historical data. So the daily data we move here and maintain huge storage. So first process, bring, transform, shape it, load to huge storage. Second area. Third area, this complete data we don't use for analysis. We will take required data. Last quarter data. Only sales data. Shipping data. That is delivery data. This kind of data you won't analyze. Take only required data on that aggregate operations like sum, average, minimum, maximum apply, or analytical operation, rank, row number, sample. These kind of operations apply. And this area is called semantic area, more meaningful area. We don't apply aggregate analytical operations here. In case you really want to have a good BA application, so prepare a separate area where you place aggregate analytical data. Condition. Yes. And here GBs of data only we maintain because required data. Everyone clear? And this is specially designed in IT industry for better analysis. better insights. And this component only used in the reporting area to generate reports and dashboards. So scientists, since the 90s, they suggested maintain one ETL area, maintain one storage area, one semantic area, one reporting area, simply 4 areas. First time, if you listen to it, you may feel complex, but from tomorrow, you feel very bored. Daily use the same. And you're going to create in the same process a minimum of 10 to 15 reports and 2 projects. The same process. Here, company, wherever you go, process remains same, does not change. Does not change. Yes, as ETL, storage, semantic, reporting, common. Here we make the data clear. Here we keep the data, and here we take required data and aggregate analytical operation, finally presentation. Fine. The problem is, see, the first problem, 90s, no company given end-to-end process. So individual companies, individual components, Informatica, data stage, every show these kind of ETLs from the respective companies. These kind of storages here, these kind of cubes here, and reporting here. So if a company want to implement a BI system, definitely they need to purchase 4 components. They need to recruit 4 people, maintain 4 setups. Very complex, tedious, more costly. So one company decided, why don't we reduce that burden so that small, medium companies can use it? That is Microsoft, and the product is MSBA. 2005, Microsoft first given MSBA. Keep in mind, very important point. So 2005, Microsoft given MSBA, and where it has tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, 3 tools to perform this end-to-end process. So this tool in this area, this tool for this purpose, this tool for this purpose. Even we have a storage area, SQL Server. So this component is called self-service BI suite, because it will take the data, everything it will do, finally BA information, it will give you the report or dashboard. Good, right? So, sir, you can ask one question. If MSBA on-premises is good, then why Power BI, sir? Why Azure BI in the market? Why Fabric in the market? All from Microsoft only. I'm not explaining anything, any other components from other vendors. I'm talking about only Microsoft. So it is your minimal responsibility to know all this. So the first BA from Microsoft is MSBA 2005 on-premises, multiple tools available to perform end-to-end process. And this only brought leadership. So MSBA having versions 5 after 2005, 2008, 2008 R2, 2012, 2014, 16, like this. Every 2 to 3 years a new version. Remember, every 2 to 3 years a new version. And from 2008 onwards, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BA. Earlier you have seen 17 years Microsoft is a leader. Power BI recently released. How come 17 years? Because MSBA. But one unlucky part in MSBA, not one, 3 to 4. 2005 MSBA released. 2004 onwards, in the market, unstructured applications available more and more. Facebook 2004, even Google Analytics and all available after 2004. Instagram, and many after 2004 only. So unstructured data handling was not there. And 2006 onwards, cloud available in the market. MSBA purely on-premises. On-premises means we need to install the servers in our company area, and we have to operate with the local URLs. But cloud from 2006. Even mobility, 2009 onwards, apps available in the market. Mobile app, tab app, these apps available in the market from 2009 onwards. MSBA not having support for this. And MSBA level, we need coding, average coding compulsory. Though it's a graphical user interface application, but still average coding required. Yes, and 3 tools required. 3 tools. Right. So firstly, companies ask Microsoft, your MSBA on-premises be very good. Even till this day, it has its own market. but you did not enter into cloud. So suddenly, Microsoft announced in 2008 around Azure and Azure BI. So where SSIS equivalent ETL tool in the Azure BI level available or Azure level available, ADF, Azure Data Factory. Azure is a cloud. Azure is a cloud, and we access using portal.azure.com. However, Google Drive we access drive.google.com. The same way Azure Cloud access by using portal.azure.com. So this is the first service for ETL. Second service for analytical. Like this services they provided, but they did not provide cloud reporting. So people used SSRS, and some people use Tableau. Some people use ClickView. So Microsoft realized, no. Cloud level, I given data ETL and data storage and data warehouses also, but no reporting. Why don't we construct a fully strong reporting component and also end-to-end we do in a single area? That is Power BI. For these two power added here, that's a Power BI, powering BI, power added BI, the name. However, we call a couple of film stars as Power Star, Mega Star, blah, blah, blah. The same thing, Power BI. It's not an accidental name. Microsoft given Microsoft BI, first one. Azure BI, makes sense. Cloud BI. And Power BI, then what is Power? Powered BI. So it has a single application. See the single application. The application has concepts. First concept, Power Query in this area. Second concept, Power Pivot in this area. Power View, Power Map for this area. So the single application will do end-to-end. So we call it as a self-service BI application with multiple concepts. Tomorrow's practice, you see this concepts implementation. Beautiful, right? So Power BI itself sufficient to perform ETL process, analytical process, reporting process, everything. And finally, you get BI data. Simple Power BI. So 2013 to till this day, Power BI having own market. And companies also used Power BI in this area, Azure level, even MSBI level, instead of SSRS, they use Power BI. Here also use. That's the reason when you see in the market, MSBA plus Power BI, Azure plus Power BI. So Azure people or cloud people use ADF in this area, AAS in this area, Power BI in this area. So Microsoft again they decided why people going for cloud storages and Power BI for operations. Power BI cloud level not available and Azure cloud level not available. So the people who like Azure cloud, this they are using the Azure cloud. This they are using the Azure cloud. Again, they are going to Power BI separately for reporting. Luckily, it is supporting cloud operation, so they are going for it. So Microsoft recently decided one thing, this they want to take in a single platform. And also they want to add AI features, artificial intelligence features. That is Fabric. What is that? Fabric. So Fabric is a fully designed pure cloud solution where this Azure Data Factory available as a data factory. The Snowflake Synapse as it is available as a Synapse and Lakehouse. Lakehouse is a storage, warehouse kind of huge storage. They added notebook for this and Power BI as it is. So Fabric is not a new solution, pure cloud solution. These two combination solution in single area. Simply Azure components plus Power BI plus data governance component added. This is Fabric. So all-in-one solution, AI platform for data ingestion to data presentation. That means data retrieval to data presentation with the data activator control or governance. So if you learn Power BI from this institute, 100% you support this So with this combination, you set you're suitable. Also, my co-trainer will give you Power BI in this area. 2 hours. The 2 hours sufficient even you work here because the same Power BI we use, but how do we connect and use? He will tell you. The fabric trainer will teach you. So after learning Power BI, once you join in the company, you may use standalone or in the fabric level. Let me show you the same. Give me a moment. Azure I will show, fabric I will show. How do we connect? See, portal.azure.com. This is to connect to Azure cloud. I'm connecting with an account. So this is the Azure portal, cloud, more services, analytics. See, analytics, Azure analysis services, data factories, data lake. These are all Azure BA components. No power, no reporting. So Azure cloud level, AI, machine learning, analytics, computing engine, container storages, databases, many available individually. So Microsoft brought this Azure component and this Power BI. This is Power BI visualization component by adding some AI features, that is Fabric. So now I will open Fabric. app.fabric.microsoft.com. This is Fabric Cloud. If you go to working area, workspace, our students already practiced. Our students practiced. I'll give you these cloud credentials, don't worry. You can happily practice this cloud. Fabric. Fabric level, I will click new item. I told you BA process remains same, it will not change. Even Fabric level also the same process. So you bring the data, multiple areas, store the data, prepare the data, analyze the data, track the data, finally visualize the data. In this area, our Power BI concepts we use. Got clarity? So if you're interested to establish a good career, learn Power BI. You can work in the Fabric level and this, or learn Fabric after Power BI so that pure cloud Fabric resource you can stay in the market. So the next feature is for Fabric and Power BI. Right. So coming to conclusion, so BI evolution I explained, legacy, middle age, modern. Modern BI level cloud operations, mobile tab friendly operations, and more data available. Low code also people expecting. Simple solution require end-to-end solution. So Power BI, these three having Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. And Power BI is a top leader. Next. And why was Power BI created when MSB already exists? I clearly explained. You take time and read this. But I'm concluding Power BI definition. Definition 1, adding more power to existing BI. Definition 2, Power BI is a low code application, cloud and on-premises application, cloud supported, on-premises supported, self-service application, generate reports and dashboards. So Power BI also generate reports and dashboards, but with low code. Power BI available cloud and on-premises. Power BI support end-to-end process, that is self-service. Released in July 2013 and versions monthly update available in the Power BI and July 13 to till this month. No separate yearly version and versioning component, monthly update. Let me open the previous picture. Yeah, this is Here you will see in the right hand side. These are monthly updates in the same portal. July 2013 is the first one. Every month we are having an update, Power BI. Are you able to see it? Good. So I explained about Power BI update. Next, what is Power Platform? Guys, before Fabric, Microsoft developed one more area, Power Platform. What is this? So after huge success of Power BI as a low-code application, Microsoft decided, why don't we release similar low-code applications to perform other operations, other market running operations? So they created Power Apps, a low-code for mobile tab-friendly apps. Power Automate, a low-code for automated process. Virtual Agent, a low-code to create chatbots. Low-code to create chatbots. And Power Pages, it's a low-code to create web pages and websites. So after a huge success of Power BI, Microsoft decided to create a Power Platform. And this Power Platform also good in the market. So in case you want to go as a Power Platform developer, Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, these three are good in the market. So this is for combinations in case you're interested. Low-code application for reports and dashboards. Low-code application for mobile and tab-friendly apps. Low-code application for automated operations. Low-code applications for chatbots. Low-code application for web pages and websites. And anyway, Fabric, you know, all-in-one solution. So data integration, data storage, data presentation, data governance possible. That's why if you learn Fabric properly, you can try as a data engineer. You can try as a data scientist. You can try as a data analyst, data citizen. These are all components available in the Fabric level. So learn Fabric, but Fabric level Power BI, whatever you have, that is a limited one. So I recommend you learn Power BI separately. So that Power BI developer you can try, even Fabric resource also you can try. But Fabric is really good one, a cloud one, AI enabled one, which is suitable for data engineers, scientists, analysts, citizens, because the required components available. Over? Great. So today I explain data to Microsoft Fabric and Power BI existence in the current market. So alone, Power Platform, Fabric level. Right. So I explained about types of data, types of IT applications, BA applications and history, Power BI, Power BI definitions, Power Platform, Microsoft Fabric. And as I said, training 2 months, daily 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. Basics to advanced training. Daily live class video receive, WhatsApp, email, call support is there. Proper theory, proper practical material you will get. SQL sessions 4 hours you receive. But my recommendation, learn a whole course, prioritize 9 topics. Mandatory learning, Power BI plus SQL Server. We will cover you 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. The last one, if you are really looking for an institute with Power BI detailed subject from basics to advanced, easy and simple way of learning, this institute and course curriculum is suitable for you. No doubt. Confidently, I can say. And sufficient for interviews and to work on projects. The current trend. That's all, guys, whatever I plan. And as I said, tomorrow we'll work on a recap for 10 minutes and 15 minutes. We'll work on Power BI components, one end-to-end practice, desktop to cloud practice.